In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header or footer to a Google Slides presentation using the Theme Builder. This step-by-step guide will help you create cohesive and professional presentations with ease. Let's dive straight in. First, open your Google Slides presentation. You'll need to access the Theme Builder, a powerful tool that controls the overall look and feel of your slides. To do this, navigate to the top of your screen, find the Slide menu, and from there select Edit Theme. This action will open the Theme Builder, also known as the Master Slide. The Master Slide dictates the main design elements that will appear on all your slides, which is perfect for adding headers and footers. Once you're in the Theme Builder, you'll want to create text boxes for your header and footer. To do this, go to the Insert menu and choose Text Box. Place your text box at the top of the slide if it's for a header or at the bottom for a footer. Now, simply click inside the text box and type in the content you want, such as a title, the date, or even page numbers. This content will serve as your header or footer and will automatically appear on all your slides. Next up, make sure to customize the appearance of your text to fit the look you're going for. Utilize the toolbar to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of the text to ensure it aligns with the rest of your presentation's design. This step is crucial as it ensures your final product is both visually appealing and easy to read. One of the great conveniences of using the Master Slide is that any alterations you make here will be automatically applied across all slides in your presentation, giving it a unified look. However, keep in mind that while working within the Master Slide, you are also able to apply changes to specific layouts if needed. Once you are happy with your header and footer design, you'll want to exit the Theme Builder. Click the X located at the top right corner of the Theme Builder view, which will take you back to the standard presentation view. At this point, your newly added headers and footers should be visible on all slides throughout your presentation. If you find that you want to customize a header or footer on an individual slide later on, you can still open a text box on that specific slide and make changes. Just remember, these changes will not affect other slides and will be local to just that one slide. And there you have it, a streamlined way to enhance your Google Slides presentations with headers and footers using the Theme Builder. This approach not only saves time, but ensures consistency across your presentation, making your content look professional and polished.